Today we have a Galaxy S21 5G. Phone is running the Verizon version. When you try to make a phone call on the phone, all the calls fail. Let's try to make a phone call and see what happens. Calls fail. What we're going to do today is flash the unlock firmware on the phone and see if the calls are working again. Let's put the phone in download mode so we can flash the unlock firmware. You have to press the volume up, volume down, and the side key together. Volume up, down, power button, side key. Now you have to press volume up and then connect the phone to your computer. Now let's flash the new unlock firmware on the phone. We are done flashing the phone. The phone is running Cricket wireless service. Now let's try to make some phone calls and see if the calls are no longer failing. So the call went through, so it's not failing. Let's try another phone number. And the phone is ringing, so the phone is working. Well guys, this is the end of the video. If you like what you saw, make sure you click the subscribe button. Thanks for watching.